Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this CHERS accent chair is my new favorite addition to my living room. I was totally amazed by the fact that this chair came completely assembled. All I had to do was put the back cushion on it and it was ready for us to enjoy. The quality of this chair is so impressive to me. It is so well put together and the cushioning is really comfortable. The supportiveness of the back cushion and the seat cushion is just perfect. The fabric on this chair is really touchably soft and cozy, and I absolutely love the beige color. This color, along with the simple, chic styling of the chair, blends in so well with my living room decor. The textured look of the fabric really adds to its style and its appeal. I honestly think it would look great anywhere. I find it to be this perfect in-between size. It's not really obtrusive in my living room, but it's also roomy enough for not only me, but my husband to sit in as well. My husband and I both feel like this is an incredibly comfortable chair. I think everybody enjoys sitting in a swivel chair, and this chair swivels really smoothly. I am beyond blown away by the ease of installation, the comfort, and the modern style of this CHERS chair. And that's my point of view.